This is the Revlon Micro Brow Pencil. I'm a sucker for a good brow, but like a good brow that's natural. So I like to start off just brushing my brows up a bit. And what I also love is that there's this little micro tip. So it's like making these little brow hairs. And I can just, see how I just flick it on? Did you ever think that your eyebrow pencil could have oils with antioxidants in it? Well, this one does. When you think about your eyebrows, I never think about nourishing and conditioning them, but this pencil has nourishing and conditioning oils in it that it actually is doing the job for you. So it's super easy to use. It goes on super duper natural. You don't have to take that extra care out of your day to think about your brows. I like my brows to be sisters, not twins. They definitely cannot be cousins. And just like that, my micro brow pencil gave me the most natural brows ever. These are gonna last all day, no smudging. Thank you.